Hi, today we will learn new phrases, their meanings, and then we will use them in a sentence. First phrase is when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Meaning, make the best out of a bad situation. Let's use it in a sentence.
After the project failed, she decided to start her own company. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade.
Second phase is learn from your mistakes. Meaning, gain wisdom from errors or failures. Let's use it in a sentence.
I've learned to embrace my mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth.
Third phase is follow your heart. Meaning, trust your instincts and pursue what you're passionate about. Let's use it in a sentence. She decided to follow her heart and pursue a career in music, even though it meant leaving a stable job. Fourth phase is never give up. Meaning, persevere in the face of challenges or setbacks. Let's use it in a sentence.
No matter how tough it gets, I'll never give up on my dream of becoming a doctor.
Fifth phase is believe in yourself. Meaning, have confidence in your abilities and decisions. Let's use it in a sentence.
You have to believe in yourself, even when others doubt you.
Sixth phase is let bygones be bygones. Meaning, forget about past disagreements or conflicts. Let's use it in a sentence.
It's time to let bygones be bygones and move forward with a fresh start.
Seventh phase is time heals all wounds. Meaning, with time, emotional pain or distress will fade. Let's use it in a sentence. Though it hurts now, remember that time heals all wounds. Eighth phase is hindsight is 20/20. Meaning, it's easy to understand something after it has happened. Let's use it in a sentence.
Looking back, I realize I should have taken the job offer. Hindsight is 20/20.
Ninth phase is make a difference. Meaning, have a positive impact on the world or someone's life. Let's use it in a sentence.
She dedicated her life to helping others, determined to make a difference in the world.
10th phase is don't cry over spilled milk. Meaning, don't fret over something that has already happened and cannot be changed. Let's use it in a sentence. Yes, you made a mistake, but don't cry over spilled milk. Learn from it and move on. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you!